Good morning, everyone. In our yesterday video, we are discussed about sports training and sports training meaning and concept of training. Today, I discuss with you same topic, sports training concept, traditional part 1 and part 2. Part 1, off season for recreational play after the competition. Yes, after the competition, everyone wants we are in a relaxed way. So we are just make a recreation game for the student. Recreation game and off season of similarly related games. Okay. As a student of fitness, one of the most important concept of training to learn is periodization. Yes, especially as you move from novice to intermediate, and even more so when you start to become advanced. Periodization is not a new concept, having been around since the 1950, and most people employ some form more periodization training whether they know it or not, but doing it and doing it right are two different things. But truly understanding periodization, you can maximize and result in the gym or in our respective sports. To start, you need to know the basic, which is the 3 cycles of periodization training. First, microcircle, second, meso, and third, microcycle. In the post, we are going to explain what periodization is and how the micro, meso and microcircles related to it. With that, you will be able to structure your training in a way that allow you to reach peak performance, prepare for an event, or especially achieve your fitness goal. What is periodization? Okay, periodization training. In the most basic sense, periodization refers to how you organize your training over various time periods. It's about breaking down long period of time and long-term goal into passes, so you can structure your month by month, week by week, day by day training in a way that progress and effort contributes to the big picture. Fine. In your book, one index is there, right? Last one, see, microcycle, month's workout plan of training season. It means annual plan for the goal competition of the year. The second is mesocycle, week's workout plan of training seasons. In a week, every week you just perform according to your competition. You just plan according to that. Microcycle days, shortest, yani within a 7 days workout plan of training seasons. Okay, in the most I'm just tell you as a students of fitness, one of the most important concept of training to learn is periodization. If you learn periodization in your daily life, you make your timetable according to your subject wise, not only for it is a both the way, physical workout as well as study. You all make the timetable, right? So according to the periodization, if you make the timetable, you become much more better, right? तो आप पे डिपेंड करता है, according to you just make your timetable according to your subject wise. Then 3 circles, you know that the 3 circles. Then see the part of this. First, preparatory period. In this period, player achieve the physical ability related to physical fitness like strength, endurance along with the basic skill. Already I taught you कि in a passes one, in a part one way, we have learned basic skills. Then in a second part, we are just go forward. Player develop the general ability related to physical fitness as well as strength and endurance along with basic skills. Yes. Then last one, passes 3. Tactics, yani test progress. Yes, and strategies. Achieve every perfection for the competition. If you not plan anything before the competition, not use tactics, not use strategies, then how you become achieve your goal? How can you? Then third one is competition period. In this period, player participate for competition and aims to achieve top performance in competition. I am not talking about only for physical fitness. I am talking about physical fitness as well as study. Your exam is when your exam is going on, you are prepared on that day. Yeah, you will prepare before days. So everything is you do on time. If you prepare before time, especially during your exam. Yes, during your exams, your class test, everything. So teacher had informed you earlier that tomorrow I take your oral test, tomorrow I take your physical test. Not immediately teacher informed you, na? So same thing you're supposed to be do. These all realizations in your daily life. Transaction period, it means off season. I already informed to you. In off season, this is a relaxation period. After competition, in this period, player gets recovery from competition, stress, and maintains physical ability for the next competition. Initially, recreational activities are performed. Afterwards, similar type of activities are played along with recreation. Recreation means when you are go to the ground. So you after practice, before practice, we just organize some recreation games. Enjoyful, laughing in a recreation game. We are just in a relaxed mood while doing recreation games. In the next topic, principle of sports training. In the next video, I discuss with you principle of sports training. Just go through all periodizations, sports training concept, see the index and write your own words about concept of training, part 1, part 2 and part 3.